So, hello everyone, and welcome back to our Tableau tutorial series. I'm really excited to have you here as we continue building on the foundational skills we started with in the previous videos. In our last video, we covered how to connect Tableau to a data source. We looked at importing data sets, understanding different types of Tableau recognize, and took a guided tour around the Tableau workspace. If you missed that video, I highly recommend watching it first to make sure you are up to speed. Now in the today's videos, we are going to jump into one of the most fundamental and practical parts of Tableau, creating bar charts. So bar charts are a great way to compare value across different categories, and they serve as a strong foundation for visual analysis in Tableau. So we will be building our chart using sales data and exploring how to enhance it using a Tableau, Show Me panel, Mark card, and various customizations option. So here, what you can expect to learn in these sessions. We will begin by exploring the Show Me panel, Tableau built-in chart suggestion tool that help you choose the most effective charts type based on the data you select. Then we will walk step by step through the process of building a fully customized bar chart, explaining every actions along the way from tracking and dropping fields to changing aggregations, applying color, adding tooltip and refining the final look. So this video will highly practical. So let's dive in and start building your first powerful bar charts in the Tableau. So first thing first, let's talk in the detail about the Show Me panel. One of the Tableau most intuitive and intelligent features that simplify the process of data visualization. The Show Me panel is located in the top right corner of the worksheet interface and acts as a built-in recommendation engine for visualizations. As soon as you start selecting fields from your data, Tableau begins analyzing those selections based on what types of data you have chosen, whether dimension like category or measures like sales. The panel intelligently highlight the chart types that are most appropriate for your selected fields. It includes a wide variety of visualizations such as bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, pie charts, maps, tree maps, and many more. Each icon in the panel comes with a tooltip to help you understand when it might be useful. What makes these features particularly powerful for beginners and even advanced users is that help you avoid chart types that might mispresent your data or simply won't work with your field types. So in practice, the Show Me panel not only accelerates the process of choosing a chart, but it also educates user on data visuals best practices by graying out unsuitable charts and enabling only those that can accurately portray your selected data fields. As we proceed through this video, we will actively use the Show Me panel to create our visualization, making it easier to select and compare different charts types for various use cases. So let's walk through a detailed demo to see how the Show Me panel works in practice and how we can explore additional capability in Tableau. So as shown in the previous video, we have already uploaded our data sets. So now we are in the sheet 1 and you can see all the available fields in the data pane on the left side of the screen. So these include the dimension like category, subcategory, region and order date and measures like sales, profit, quantity and discounts. Now let's build bar charts step by step. So to create a bar charts, let's drag the sales field to the column shell. Since sales is a measures, Tableau will automatically aggregate typically using sum. And then drag the category field to the rows shelves. and Tableau generates a horizontal bar charts by default. Now click on the Show Me panel in the top right corner. You will see the list of chart types. Since we selected one dimensions category and one measure cells, certain chart types like bar charts, stack bar, pie charts, and tree map are now available. So you can click on different charts icon to see how your data is visualized in the video space. So this helps when deciding the best chart for your message. Now changing the aggregations by default, Tableau applies some cells. But what if you want to analyze average sales or count of sales? Then click on the drop down arrow on the sales field in the columns. Then go to the measures and choose from options like average, minimum, max, or count. So here I choose average. So this allows you to quickly change in the metric without altering your visual layout. Now we have our basic charts showing total sales by category. But these charts can become even more meaningful if we add extra layer of information to it. For example, let's say we want to break down sales by different regions to understand how each category performs across location. So to do this, we can use color to represent the region field, then drag the region from the data pane and drop it into the color shelf on the mark cards. So this will automatically split each bar into segments with each color represent different regions. Now you can instantly compare how much each region contributes to each category total sales. So these kind of enhancements add valuable context and allow viewers to gain deeper insight from the chart at a glance. Now let's add another layer of details using a tooltip. So drag profit from the data pane to the tooltip shelf in the mark cards. This means when someone's hover over a bar in the charts, they won't just see the sales value. They will also see the profit associated with that category and region. So this helps us instantly understand whether high sales also led to high profits or if there are areas with low profitability. Similarly, we can use the size option to give a visual weight to our bars. So drag the quantity field to the size shelf on the mark card. Now the thickness of each colored segments within a bar will reflect the quantity of items sold. So this is very useful because it allows us to visual compare not just the total revenue but also the volume of sales per regions or category, all within the same charts. Now that we have added several layers of detail to our charts, now let's take a moment to clean these things up and make it even easier to read. So first we will sort the bars so that categories with the highest sales appears at the top. Click the sorts icon into the toolbar. This brings the most important data into immediate focus and make the comparison straightforward for viewers. Next, let's enable data labels so people don't have to hover to see the extra exact values. Click on the label sections in the mark card, then check show me marked labels. So this overlays the actual sales values directly on the bars, so providing quick reference points and enhancing readability. So now to take your analysis one further step, try exploring how your categories performs over time. For that you can replace with in the rows shelves. For instance, use the Show Me panel again to switch from bar charts to a line charts. So this transitions changes your views from the static comparison to a dynamic trend visualization, giving insights into seasonality, performance, patterns, and sales momentum. So through this walkthrough give you a flexible starting point for using Tableau's Show Me panel effectively. As you practice, try experimenting with different fields and aggregation to better understand what each chart types can reveal about your data. So that's it for today, where we focus specifically on building and enhancing bar charts in Tableau. In this video, we learned how to create a basic bar charts, explored the Show Me panel, and added meaningful layers like color, tooltip, and size to gain deeper insights from our data. You now have a solid foundation for working with one of the Tableau most powerful visualization type. Now, in this next video, we will shift gear and dive into filtering and sorting data so we can make our dashboards more interactive and tailored to user needs. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.